Hi there, everyone. Welcome to my whimsical cooking experience. It's your Jamaican girl, Norleen, and it's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I got another authentic Jamaican cuisine for you. My whimsical family, come along with me in the kitchen where I will be showing you how I prepare this Jamaican cabbage casserole. Guys, grab your ingredients and follow me in the kitchen. We're going to do this Jamaican style.
All right, family and friends, let's get cooking. I have washed and peeled my potatoes. I will then dice these and put it away. I will then move on to my onions. I'm using a whole white onion and half of a purple onion. I then slice my onions.
On to my cabbage, and I'm using half of a cabbage. Now guys, all I'm doing is simply cutting my cabbage into string like or lengthwise. Now while I'm cutting my cabbage, I want to share with you the food for thought.
John 1 verses 4 and 5. In him was life, and the life was the light of all mankind. And the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness comprehended it not. Thanks to Lucy Carpenter for this beautiful illustration.
Simple, guys, I want you to remember that the Lord God is our light. He shines in the darkest part of our lives, and he illuminates it by his grace. So I'm going to encourage you to put your trust in God because he is the light of this world.
Alright guys, so that's my cabbage. So the list of ingredients that I will be using are
my mixed vegetable. I have some cream cheese, some sour cream. I have some bell peppers, assortment of bell peppers. I have my cheese. I have my shredded cabbages here. I have my potato all cut up. I have some red onions here. I have white onions. I have garlic and some Roma tomato. Now, family and friends, if you are celebrating your birthday, your anniversary, or whatever extra special milestone in your life, remember Wim's Kitchen got you. Happy birthday to you, happy anniversary, or happy whatever day it is. Remember, leave your special dates in the comment section, and when your day comes around, Wim's Kitchen will share my love with you.
Now guys, I will add my diced potatoes to my boiling water. Of course, I have some seasoning in that and a pinch of salt for flavor. I'm gonna cook this guys until it's tender. All right guys, in another pot in the frying pan, I've added all the garlic, all the onions, and I will saute this to flavor about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then guys, I will add to that my uncooked mixed vegetable. It's about a cup of mixed vegetables. I'm gonna add to that, of course, some dry herbs and spices, a little bit of salt, guys. Look at what's happening in the pot. Some cracked black pepper, guys, and saute that in nicely.
This week I have some new subscribers. I want to big you up. I give you all the whimsical love that I have in my heart. And if you are watching and haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. And remember, turn on your bell icon so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. My usual viewers and loyal subscribers, big up on yourself. Wims appreciate all your love. Wims appreciate all your comments. And remember, give me some thumbs up.
Be done. All right, so let's check in the
Remember, you can also follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and jump on over to my Facebook page and like my page. It's walking in my mother's shoes.
All right, family and friends, so the vegetables, the mixed vegetable is all done. I'm just cleaning the edge of my pot. To that, I will add the creamer. I'm gonna add the sour cream, add the cream cheese, and about a quarter cup of shredded cheese. I'm gonna stir this, guys, until it all combines. and the sauce so you know ready. Guys, it's time to nice up the pot. So I'm using a deep Dutch pot to bake my cabbage casserole. I don't have a casserole dish, so guys, I've sprayed it with non-stick spray. To that, I've layered on my mashed potato that I had creamed with butter, and then I added a layer of cabbage. I've added the mixed vegetables, some onion, guys. Then I'm gonna layer onto that the tomatoes, and you don't have to layer it in any particular pattern, it's how you want it. I then add the assortment of bell peppers, and on top of that, my cheese sauce. I will use a spoon to spread this evenly over the casserole, and guys, boy, this looks so awesome already. I'm gonna add to that the cheese. And guys, I will then use the remainder of my potato and flatten it out as much as possible and layer this on top of the cheese. Now guys, this is what it looks like. I will then use my fork to spread my potato evenly on top, and guys, it looks awesome. I will then add the remainder of cheese. It's a blend of sharp, mild, and mozzarella cheese. I will then place this in the oven at 375 degrees, where I will bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now guys, after 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. It was my pleasure doing for you cabbage casserole just the way my mom taught me how to do it. Now guys, it's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Guys, I've served this with some fried fish and some garden salad, guys. This looks good. It tastes amazing. This is indeed a mouth-watering tasty
Thank you
delight.
guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and giving me some likes. Thank you guys for your comments. Thank you guys for staying with me throughout my cooking experience, where Wince did for you cabbage casserole, Jamaican style.